Hi guys, welcome back to Aspect Detailing. Today's quite a special one. I'm going to talk to you through about our product range. A lot of people don't know we actually do offer it. We've been developing the products ourselves for a lot of years now, but not only do we feel that they're fantastic products and value for money, but they do exactly what it says on the tin, which a lot of products actually don't. More importantly, as I just mentioned to you, value for money. You're getting 5 litres, not just 300 or 750ml bottles, which you normally get on the high street shops and that kind of thing. Right, our Aspect CarSpa range. Okay, got an array of products you can probably see here, all the way from quick detailer up to your Tyre Shine. So let me go through each one individually and talk to you about them before we show you a demonstration of how we're going to apply them and how we use them. They're ever so easy mind. So let's start with the quick detailing bubblegum. Not only is it a bubblegum colour and fragrance which smells absolutely delightful, but do not drink it or eat it, okay? It's really easy to work with. So when the car's wet, before you go and dry the vehicle, you can spray this onto the car and then obviously dry with the drying towel. Or once the vehicle's dry, you can apply sporadically and obviously just buff to a lovely shine and final finish. This will last you probably about 2 weeks for protection. So yeah, there's that one. Let's move on to our all-purpose cleaner. Now this is a great product to be using as a pre-cleansing, so you can spray onto your vehicle before your snow foaming stage and things like that, just to agitate any of the bodywork. But more importantly, if you've got things like dirt and stuff inside, you can spray onto a cloth and again wipe directly onto the seats, for example, and it will take any dirt out from the fabric. We have our fallout remover. Now this is an absolutely superb product, great for decontamination stages and also works really well on your wheels just to remove any of the brake dust and fine iron fallouts on the vehicle as well. Okay, our snow foam. This can be applied obviously directly to the vehicle and it works like a lot of other products that currently don't on the market today. This is a superb product. Like all of our products, been trialled for a long time, years in fact, and we know they work successfully every single time. And more importantly, again, for 5 litres, you get a lot for the money, which again you won't find on any high street shops. So do visit our website for more information and prices on that too. Spray on wax. This product here works exactly the same regarding hydrophobic properties of a ceramic coating, but it will have a longevity of only 3 months, and obviously it doesn't have the 9H scale, so the anti-scratch technology that ceramic does, but it will keep your car clean regarding self-cleaning properties as well. But more importantly, it leaves an absolutely really deep glossy shine every single time. Our glass cleaner, well, glass cleaners can be a problem, as we all know, can be difficult to use as well. But this glass cleaner, like any glass cleaner, can be applied to the cloth directly. Wheel cleaner. There are a diverse amount of wheel cleaners out there. We use the fallout generally for decontamination stage. And once our vehicles have been, let's say, detailed and completed with the ceramic coating, for regular maintenance wash after, you want a nice pH neutral wheel cleaner that's going to work. It's not too acidic, it's not too harsh, it's not going to start stripping any chemicals or protective products that are on the vehicle already. This is certainly one to look out for. I'm going to show you again how we're going to use this shortly. Tyre Shine. What's a good Tyre Shine? What's not a good Tyre Shine? Well, again, we've been playing with this product for a long time now. This is a matte finish, not a high gloss finish, but it will stay on the vehicle for at least 2 weeks, keeping your tyres looking absolutely new. And the best thing about it is it doesn't spit, so when you drive off the road after applying the product, it's not going to squirt itself all up across your panels and things like that either as well. So if you're looking for a Tyre Shine, this is certainly the one to have. Tyre glue remover. Yes, it's written on here, it has no label, we're aware of that. It doesn't seem to stay on because the tyre glue product itself is that good. It just disperses the label every single time. We are working obviously on a way of being able to stick it to the bottle though. But putting that aside, this can be applied in various ways. You can squirt it straight onto the bodywork and leave it to agitate for 3 or 4 minutes or so between the snow foaming stage and the washing stage, just to remove any tar, or you can even apply it to a microfiber cloth and obviously spray onto the cloth and again wipe over the panels just to agitate any tar and glue off of the car. Again, like all the products, I'm going to be showing you how to do it. Okay, our wheel cleaner, which is a pH neutral product, obviously developed by Aspect, and our brand name is CarSpa. This particular car, those you are aware of, is one of our cars. It's already got a ceramic coating on the wheel, so all we've got to do is just simply spray this pH neutral product on it. It's not too aggressive, but it will certainly remove any dust and brake dust on this vehicle. You just spray it nice and evenly. Don't have to use a lot of product, bearing in mind. We'll just leave it to simply agitate just for a couple of minutes, just to do its thing, and then we'll finish off with a nice horsehair brush like this, which isn't going to damage any of the paintwork or the colour of the wheel. So as you can see, I'm just simply agitating the wheel a little bit with a nice, safe, clean brush, which isn't going to scratch any of this black paintwork, which is pretty important. Obviously, when we're cleaning these wheels, we don't want to damage them. Once the product's been applied, and obviously we've agitated with the brush, the next thing to do is just simply rinse it off. It's nice and simple. Okay, our snow foam, let me show you how it works. It can be mixed 5 to 10, 2 to 8, whatever you want. The thicker generally the better, but not too thick like shaving foam. Remember, we're going to apply it sporadically to the vehicle and evenly, but most importantly, its job is just to lift any dirt and grime off of the car, off of the surface, so it makes our life a little bit better when we start washing it with the warmer, which you're going to see shortly. Right, our shampoo can be diluted up to 200 to 1. So we're going to put 1 capful in this. I'm going to show you how much it foams up and how little you actually need product-wise. Remember, 5 litres is going to go a hell of a long way for you guys. So 1 capful of shampoo into the bottom here. You can fill up using a tap or hose, but we like to use a jet wash. One of the most important things you need to do when shampooing your car is obviously get a nice warm mitt or microfiber mitt. But just literally what I'm trying to say is nice, straight, even lines. You don't need to put too much pressure on it because there is always still a chance you can always scratch and mark your car. But if you do the right process every single time, like we've just shown you, the less agitation, the better. Right, let's explain to you now. So most of the wash technique's been done. What we're going to show you is now how to use our high durability spray wax. So I mentioned earlier quickly in the video that it's got a 3-month longevity on it. So it works exceptionally well regarding hydrophobic properties, exactly the same as how you'll find a ceramic coating works, which I'm sure you've just seen on the video now. But this is a great product. If you don't have the time or want to spend the time having the wax or sealing your car by hand, I'm going to show you how we just run it through the snow foam lance, how we let it just agitate for 3 to 4 minutes, simply jet wash it off, and it is connected and done. Let me demonstrate. This product also can be mixed 1 to 100. You don't really need to apply it thickly. So a 1 to 100 mix, as you can see, is absolutely fine. And believe you me, this 5 litres is going to last you a very long time. So this has been left to dwell for about 3 to 4 minutes now. You can really see it starting to work. It's really bonded itself onto every single part of this car. It's not just the bodywork itself, the plastics, the glass, which makes your life a lot easier when you're driving as well, because you're even going to have to hardly use the windscreen wipers. Now all we have to do is just simply, it's this easy, just jet wash it off and then we'll dry it as normal. No more buffing and no more hard work. quick detailer. It's a bubblegum fragrance, but also bubblegum colour. It smells absolutely delightful when you're working with it. So as I mentioned to you very quickly earlier, look, before you dry the car, you can just spray it on very, very simply. And then, as you're going to dry your car with your microfiber towel, it will buff exactly the same time as you dry it off. So again, it's just makes the process a lot easier, but it saves you a lot of time having to do it as a dry one. And you can put it on dry as well, which again I'm going to show you in a moment anyway. Right, so quick detail, this is to show you how you can apply it dry. Obviously onto a nice clean microfiber cloth. Remember, there's 8 sides to a cloth. People don't realise how far this one cloth can actually go, but it's really important you continuously rotate it so you've always got an area that's clean on the surface and dry. So we just spray a couple of bits onto the cloth like so, just applying a nice evenly fashion. And it does spread a hell of a long way, look. Nice and lightly, nice straight lines. But doing it the other way when the car is wet, does save a lot of time, shall we say. We'll take the cloth, turn it over to the other side, simply buff dry, look. As easy as that. Right, our Tyre Shine. There is an array of applicators you can use. We actually like this one, it's a Maguire's one. It just holds in your hand nicely. There's not really much more to say apart from applying a Tyre Shine. It's a very, very simple process. So let me show you how we do it. This will dry with a lovely matte finish, but as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it's not going to spit all up your car like those cheap, horrible Tyre Shines do. It's going to dry lovely. It will dry within a matter of minutes, but have a lovely, fresh look, new tyre look, which will stay for a good 2 weeks like this, guaranteed. Again, like all the products, you can buy these online from our shop with a special discount code we're going to give you right at the end of the video. So guys, hope you really enjoyed that. As always, it's a pleasure from us to show you the little intricacies and the insights of how to apply products which are very, very easy on a day-to-day use. All of our product range can be found in the description, where you can get a discount code as well, just for you to save some money on our fabulous product range. We've got some great bundles for you to buy as well. Listen, it's great to see you all. Hope to see you again soon, and we'll see you in the next episode.